Hello everyone, this is Umar Rana, and today we are going to cover the topic of search strategies in artificial intelligence. This is very important topic from the exam prospects and the machine learning prospects. Whenever we need any informations from the machine, or we want a machine to go any particular point, so these some sort of searching strategies machine use to go to the destinations or go and get particular information from the database or from the system. How it work? Basically, we divide into two main category these search strategies, because searching is a main topic in artificial intelligence and human lives as well. Because whenever we want any in particular informations, we use different sort of strategies in our mind to find the informations or get to that point where we like to go, what we like to achieve. Same as we have some algorithms which we use in machines, which we gave to the machine to use this algorithm for the searching particular informations of particular destinations. Mainly in artificial intelligence, we divide in two category search strategies. Whatever we say in this topic, always put these strategies in your natural intelligence, how we work to find the things. Obviously, whenever we find any informations, either we have the complete information to find something, or we have lack of informations to find that particular informations. Same as here, such strategies we divide into two category. One is called blind search or uninformed search. Second category we call informed or heuristic search. First is called blind. Uninformed search means we don't have any informations on any idea how long we take and how much it costs to me to get the particular goal. Instead of this informed or heuristic search, we have different we know before to go to that destinations, and we know before to get that informations how long it take to get the informations. What are difference between two these searches? In blinds we don't have informations to search, we just like get the goal. Means if you say okay, go to New York, but you don't have to have particular map, you don't have an idea how to get there, but just you have the informations you need to go to New York. Same here, you don't you when you say you go to New York, you have all complete informations, which flight, how long it take, how long it cost, and how many destinations or how many staying point this flight is gonna have. So this is informed search. We know the destinations and we know the path to go before start. In blind we have no idea how long it take, how many stop we're gonna take, and how much it cost to me. It is blind, we just move on without thinking, without planning anything. Less efficient, of course. It's work on hit and try. Means if we go one path, we find no, this is not a good path, it's closed or dead end, we come back and try to another route, we go there, no, it's again dead end, we try the third one, then we go to the destination. This is how it works. Means it's hit and try rules it follow. But instead of blind search, informed search, or heuristic search, we have more efficiencies because before we leave for the destinations or for the goal, we know the path, which path we're gonna follow to get the destinations. Step not given means we have no idea how many steps we gonna take to get the destinations. Cost not given, again we have no idea how much it cost to us or how much time it take to us, right? Problems on search, we solve only using giving information. Means we have whatever we have informations, we only can run our strategies on that given informations. We cannot assume, we cannot put additional information in that scenarios. Optimals means it's the cheapest or very precise to get to the destinations. And this is time consuming, of course. We have no idea, it is based on hit and try, so we have no idea how long gonna take me to get to the destinations or the goal. It take more memory. Obviously, when it try so many routes or so many tries, it take memory, so it consume more memory. Come to the informed or heuristic search. It's more efficient. We have informations about the route and about the destinations. Addition informations if required. It automatically assumes the informations and put into the path. Complete a step and cost are given before leaving to the goal. Miss some part of information means like it take like this is the simple example. If you take GPS, what GPS does, GPS make their own route, and before we start we have an idea how long it take and how many kilometers we gonna cover and that routes. It means it make the route by themselves, but sometime so many information is skip which we required. For example, if we plan to go to New York but we like to stay in London or on Canada, then go or Dubai, then we like to go to New York. But what heuristic search do, they don't care about your choices. They make their own routes. Mean maybe probably it gonna skip the Dubai or London or Canada. It say no, you're gonna stay only Dubai, then flight goes straight to the New York. This is how it works, and it doesn't care about your interest. So it work. It try to get the informations or try to get the goal as soon as possible. So it doesn't care what you like. It only care what how to get the goal. Obviously, it is very precise, and it plan to go plan before leave the destinations. Plan leave to destinations, so it take the less memory. Instead of blind search, we hit and try, so it consume more memory. And secondly, it try all possible routes to get to the destination or get to the goal. Instead of informed search, it planned and move, so it load that informations which is required to get to the goal is not the extra one. Not optimals mean it's not necessary. Sometime you get the goal in cheapest way, sometime you get the goal in long way you get there. Quick solutions means it is in here we hit and try. It take long time, but it is a quick solutions before, because it plan and then take the move to the destinations. So this is more preferable in most of the time. Here we see quickly examples. If we say this is our starting point and these are the possible routes to get to the goal, our goal is H. So if we say, if we go to the blind search maybe try B, E, then say oh it not take me the goal route, they go back, then try A, C, F, no it doesn't take me to the H, they go back, then try again A, B, D and H, then how you get to the H goal points. So this is how blind or uninformed search work like this. If instead of this, if we use heuristic search approaches or heuristic or informed search strategies, before it leave the destinations, before it leave to the destinations, it calculate the route, find the route and time, everything, then it leave the starting point to the destinations. It means this is more precise and less time consuming, quick and efficient, and blind is less efficient, more cost, more steps and more memory consuming search strategies. This is main difference between category like what is a blind search and what is the heuristic search. Second name of blind search is uninformed search, and second name of heuristic search is informed search. So most of the normally maybe examiner going to ask you what is blind search, or maybe he asks or she asks what is uninformed search. The both are the same. In other hand, maybe examiner going to ask you what is informed search, or he asks or she asks what is heuristic search. The both are same. Okay, thank you. And next video we're going to cover the further step of the search strategies. Thank you.